Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthik. Next concept we are going to see functions used with set data type. So these are the functions we can use with set. So whenever you are using these functions, you have to pass set as an argument to these functions. So len function is there, it will give you length of the set, means total number of elements in that set. Max will give you max element from that, means largest element from that set. Mean will give you minimum, that is smallest element from the set. Sum will give you returns the sum of all elements in the set. So whenever you are passing set to this sum function, make sure it should contain all numeric data. Then all is there, so this all function, it returns true if all elements of set are true or if set is empty. Means in these two conditions it will give you true. Then function is there, so it returns true if any of the element of set is true, means at least one element should be true, and if set is empty it returns false, right? So in this way these are the functions. We will see these functions practically. Now we will see these functions one by one. First one is len. We have to pass here set. For example, I will define here one set. First, s is equal to 1 2 3 4, then Pune, then 3.14. Right? So in this way this is one set I have defined. So I am repeating 4 here, but it will give us only single 4 because duplicate elements are not allowed. Now first we will find its length. Print. Using this length function we can find its, sorry, len function. Using len function we can find its length. So I'm passing here s, that is set. So if I run this, I got here 6. Means how many unique elements are there? 6 unique elements are there. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So these 6 elements are unique, that's why it has written 6. Next is max function. It returns the largest element in the set. So for this I will define here one more set. S1 is equal to 11 22 99 88 1000 999, and we want to find max element from this set. Print max. So we have to pass this s1 to this max function, and if I run this, I got here 999, that is maximum element. Then I want to find minimum element from this set. I will pass this s1 to min function. Mean, then mean of s1. So we will get here 11 because that is the minimum element, that is mean 11 we got. Then next is sum. Returns the sum of all elements in the set. We will take here, so summation, sum. Then we are using sum function and we are going to pass this s1. And if I run this, I got here 1319. Right? So this is the sum of all elements in this s1. Then all function we are going to use. What is this all is doing? It returns true if all elements of the set are true or if the set is empty. Now we will try this. So we will try with this s1. So what is going to happen? All elements are true, means some value is existing. Because of that we will get true here. So all function, then all, and this set I am passing s1. That is true we got. Why we got true? Because all elements are true. Now I will redefine this as set again here, and I will take one element 0. So what happens, we will check. Now it has written false. So this all function returns true if all elements are true, then it will return true. If any of the element is false, then it will return you false. Then when it will return true? If set is empty. So set empty set, how to create empty set we have seen. We have to use set function. Now it has written true because this set s1 set is empty. Next is any function. What it returns true if any element of the set is true. If any element is true, then it will return true. If the set is empty, it returns false. Right. So now we will define here one more set s2, and we will take elements 1 2 3 4 0. So what we will get if I use any function? We will get true because only one element is 0. Print any, then any is true, means if any element is true it will return you true. So it has written as true, any true. Then next is if the set is empty, it returns false. If set is empty, it will return false. So how to create empty set? We know that using set function we can create. Print any with empty set, then any and S3 I'm passing. And if I run this, I got here false, means if the set is empty it returns false. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.